Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I have an installation that I did before thanks to Car Trim Home. I did the sensor to check the pressure on the tires. This module right here. I'm gonna disconnect the module and I'm gonna see the screen how it looks before, because some people was asking me that they would like to see the settings before on the dash before I did the connection on the new module. So I'm gonna disconnect it and going back to stack, and then I'm gonna connect it so you can see the difference. Plus I'm gonna play with the tire pressures to see how accurate this module is. So we're going back to stack. Okay, the new module is out of the way. I'm gonna connect the stack one. And now let me show you on the dash how everything looks. Okay, the RAV4 is on, and we used to have it here before. So if I move up and down, nothing changed. That's the only screen that you're gonna have. Once you connect the new sensor, you're gonna have a second screen in here. As you can see, we can move it up and down, nothing happens. And that's actually the screen where we have the sensor. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect the sensor. I'm gonna lower the tire pressure on one of the tires to see how accurate it is. Okay, I'm gonna do my connection again. If you can see now, we have two dots on that side, and the second one is for the tire pressure sensor. Okay, it takes a little while to start reading the tire pressure, but now let me go and lower the tire pressure on the driver rear to see how accurate it is. This is the driver rear. Right now I have about 32 psi. I have around 19. I hope you can see it there, 19. I have my pump connected. If you can see on the pump, it says 17.5. Okay, so this is more accurate. I don't know how accurate it's gonna be. Probably it's like half psi difference. 17.5. Even when I unplug and plug this new module, you see I still have psi. If some people has kPa, I really don't know. It depends on your truck. But we still have psi. Now I'm gonna have to wait until I start reading the numbers and let's see how accurate it is. It's still 17 and a half. Okay guys, if you can see right there, it's reading 18 and I have 17 right now on the tire, but it's reading the front driver side. So the sensor is reading backwards. And let me lower now the front one on the same driver's side to see if it's reading the other side. I think it's reading backwards because that one is supposed to be on the lower tire. I have 17 and this is the driver rear, but actually right now it's reading the passenger front. Let me lower now the tire on the driver's side front to see if it's still reading on the other side. It's reading 21.5 psi on the front driver and 21.5, and now it's reading 22 on the rear one passenger side. So this new module is reading the sensors backwards because that's the driver, but it's reading actually the rear passenger. So, and I know the picture of the truck is facing the right way. So yeah, they're backwards. It's accurate on the reading, but actually it's reading on the wrong side. I set it up to 36 because it's getting cold and it drops the temperature a little bit. I'm gonna put some air until 36 psi. And then you have it. I put 36 on all the tires. But I'm gonna send this information to Car Trim Home so they can work on this issue because it's not reading the right tire. But this is not a bad thing. So I'm gonna send this to them so they can improve on this, hopefully solving this issue. But still you have readings and they're accurate, but the sensors is not reading the right sensor. But this is gonna be a really good thing so they can improve on this. Hopefully they solve this issue, and once I get done with that, hopefully they can get back with me and have some solutions. So I'm gonna give an update later on when they get back to me, and hopefully we can solve this. I hope you like this little episode, guys. We learned a lot from this sensor. Now it's time to improve, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.